The first website that we will be using in this video is google.com, and I want you to type in Google News, or to make things easy, type in the search bar news.google.com. After that, you'll then discover this page where there are lots of updated news articles that are happening all over the world. On this website, there are various categories that you are going to be selecting depending on which type of news you choose. We have entertainment, local, international, sports, and many more. Wondering how you would make money with this website? Just stay with me until the end of the video. Going through the page at the left part, you can see that there is this column that shows different news categories to choose from. Within these categories, I want you to look out for business, entertainment, health, science, sports, and technology. Now I want you to click Health to get articles related to health. So when you've chosen health-related articles, I want you to copy the entire article using your mouse or your keyboard. After copying the article, we will now use spinbot.com to proofread and rewrite the articles in less than 10 seconds. If you guys are gaining something from this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's continue with the video. One of the websites that I'll be sharing with you in today's video is called eatingwell.com. Eatingwell.com is a health website that pays you for every word that you have on your article which is related to what we have searched and rewritten earlier, as they are on the same topic. Actually, on eatingwell.com, you'll get $1 for every word you've written on your article, and when you calculate $1 for every word for hundreds or thousands of words, you can see that this is a huge amount of money to be earned simply by copying and pasting articles on Google. To earn money with eatingwell.com, just look for their Contact Us link on their website. Contact them via their email address, send the rewritten articles to them along with your payment information. Our next website is sierraclub.org, which also accepts rewritten articles just like eatingwell.com. Sierraclub.org talks about the environment, health and science, which is a bit related to the first website that I just showed you. In order to accomplish these methods successfully, simply go and do the exact same thing that you did on the first website. Just repeat the email process for sierraclub.org. Sierra Club focuses more on anything related to the environment, so all you need to do now is go back to Google, search for articles related to the environment, copy and paste it to Spinbot to rewrite it for you, and then repeat the process, just like you did with eatingwell.com. The last website is called dailyjstore.org, which is another website where you can send rewritten articles to. You just need to follow the same process and wait for them to credit your PayPal account. But on dailyjstore.org, you can only send articles of not more than 2,000 words. If you can implement all that's being taught in this video from the beginning till the end, you are going to make a lot of money online. As you can see, it's quick, easy, and 100% free. Do you want to earn money without any effort? Click here. Your financial freedom is in your hands. Take action today and be financially free.